In today's video, I am going to be creating, or I should say finishing and failing, in my opinion, the no power tool sword from the Legend of Zelda series. Stick around to see the finished, fully functioning sword created with zero power tools. To my knowledge, I am the first person on YouTube to even attempt something like this. Steel.
Straight and even?
Nope. I had to add some overly intense music to this scene because, you know, like, it just put the cherry on top, I think.
You don't have to record this unless you want to.
Try fitting it. I think I'm gonna move to Russia and go get a Russian accent.
I had to restart. I took a piece of rebar and remade it with my bevels on each side of it.
Yeah, I forced my younger brother into slave labor to file that all out for me. So, I have a handful of things I need to fix on this sword and the fitting thingy that goes right under it. First of all, you can see that this side is a little bit shorter than this side over here. This one's thicker and this one's skinnier. File here and file this one down and then forge right here. So now another problem I am facing, I need a pommel for the guard while I'm waiting for propane to show up. I need a pommel, and I got a crate of really cool rusted things down here. I got a spring, then I got this little plate of steel. Look what I found.
No way. Where did you find this?
In that crate of junk down there.
Oh, crates of junk are always awesome.
Yes, they are. Where is it? Where is it? I had to I found the holy grail of steel. There is every kind of steel you can imagine in this one little pile, but there's a whole bunch of it scattered everywhere. I can make so many things, but I'm here for one thing only. Most likely this. I don't know what exactly this is. I don't even know what kind of steel it is, but I'm thinking if I cut a little piece off, that'll be a perfect pommel for the sword. Put it in the vise. I'm gonna whack it until it gets shorter and fatter. Not like me. And they're really good now. And it's going everywhere. That won't work. I'm gonna work on the profile a little bit. kind of shape this up with a file a little bit. I didn't show on video because I'm sure you guys are sick and tired of filing, because I am too. I'm gonna get my phone. Let's drop my phone. Watch everyone, watch. Ooh. You see right now how it is. I gotta be very careful because right here is very thin and very weak, and I tried to bend it and it's bending there. No! That sucks. After 4 months of trial and error, lots of blood, sweat, and tears, from COVID, major health issues, to a simple coin toss, which decided the fate of this sword, I have finally created a sword with 0 power tools. But I failed the original goal. The sword was supposed to look like this, but it turned out quite differently than how I was wanting it to turn out. So let me know down in the comments if you want to see me attempt to create an identical replica of the one in the video game with power tools. Sorry guys, I'm not doing a no power tool challenge for a very long time.